Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to tackle about the 3 Newton's law. Without further ado, let's get started. Inertia. Inertia is the first Newton's law. It states that an object at rest tends to stay at the rest and an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon an unbalanced force. So here's a comparison in both of my examples.
A single notebook shows not enough mass and therefore not enough inertia to resist the force acting upon it. For the second clip is I add multiple books on top so it have such a more mass than the first clip and much more inertia, therefore they move less.
Acceleration is the second Newton's law. When an unbalanced force acts upon a body, it is accelerated in the direction of force.
When I push the toy car with less force, it moves slowly, but when I push the toy car with higher force, it moves faster. In order to get more acceleration, we need to apply a higher force. For the second example is a book in a skateboard. In this first clip, I add a one book and put a force to the skateboard and the skateboard move faster because it has less mass. For the second clip, I had another books to gain a mass and the result was much less lower than the first clip because mass is inversely proportional to the acceleration of an object.
And the last law, which is interaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, and here is the example.
As I pushes the table, I exert force on it, just like how the table pushes the student in the opposite direction. The action that I do is throwing the ball in the wall, and the reaction is the wall is pushing back to or it bounces back to me. And that's what we call the action and the reaction. It happens between the throwing the ball and the wall pushing it back.
And this is the end of my video. I hope you learned something from me. And I explained very carefully the 3 Newton's law. Bye guys!